how to manage keep virtual background on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage keep virtual background on Zoom mobile. First go to Zoom and then click here, and now click this one, meeting, and now all you need to do is just find this one, keep virtual background, and click on it, and then select here anything you want, like current meeting only or all meeting, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's how many keep virtual background on Zoom mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.